The government does
Yeah.
not know how it's going to pay for you to have those things one day. So that's one of the first things that I would propose. There has to be a line in the sand that people beyond a certain date do not get those programs. They don't exist anymore for those folks. That's just a start. I think that you're absolutely right. The insurance industry is a big part of the problem, and getting back to direct pay. I hate the idea of the government getting in there and regulating what happens in the private sector too much. So I actually think that there's a decent bit of deregulation that needs to happen, because the way that the insurance companies get entrenched is that it is the most highly regulated industry that there is. There is not not even banking is more
Yeah.
regulated than the insurance industry. And a
Yeah.
lot of people think that regulation protects them. It can in some regards, but for the most part, regulation gets bigger and bigger, and they regulate more and more. And I'm just going to go ahead and say, oftentimes it is folks on the left who want to grow regulation because they want more government control, because they think that the government is protection. The problem is that the more you regulate, the more difficult you make it to compete. The people who can afford to abide by the regulations, and they are massive. They are miles and miles of red tape. The companies who can afford that are the big ones.